Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you my LSSC Scooter app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the LSSC Scooter app claims you can make money by investing in electric scooters that get rented out every day. Sounds cool, right? You buy or activate a scooter in the app and it says you'll earn daily income from people using them. But here's the truth, it's not what it seems. On the closer look, things start to fall apart. The app promises high returns that are way too good to be real. Most of the earnings actually come from referring new people, not from real scooter rentals. That's a big red flag. It looks like a pyramid or Ponzi scheme, in my opinion. Many users have said that they can't withdraw their money. Some get messages saying they need to pay extra verification or unlock fees before cashing out. Others have had their accounts frozen or the app suddenly stopped working. Even worse, there's no proof that any real scooters even exist, and the people behind the company stay completely anonymous. Overall, the LSSC Scooter app is not a legitimate investment. It's risky, misleading, and could easily leave you with nothing. If an app promises easily daily money for doing almost nothing, it's probably a scam. So stay safe, do your research, and don't fall for flashy apps that sound too good to be true.